Hi guys, today we will learn how to remove the background from any image if you have using Windows 11. How it can be happening? Because Windows 11 is providing you the Photos application which has a lot of facilities and a lot of things you can do with the photos or the images you are having. Then without using any Photoshop, if you don't know the Photoshop, you don't have the Canva, Premium or something like that, you no need to do that. Windows 11 is giving you that kind of facility. So what we can do is with the help of that, we can simply remove the background. Even there are online tools available, but if you want to remove the background using that, you still have to pay some money if you want to download the SD background. So let's learn how to do that. So I'll go to the image I have. Just car image is there. I'll just simply open with. I'll just use the photos. Now, how can edit do that? Simply click on edit. Once you click on edit, it will give you the option of background. Once you click on this background, you have option of blur. You have option for remove. Simply click on remove and you can simply replace it. But the facility is just you can just simply replace it with some kind of color. If you use some color, then with the help of those color only, you can simply remove it or you can simply blur it. Now, there are other things which is also giving to us. You can simply crop the image if you want to crop it with the scaling, how much scaling, or if you want to do like this, you can see this facility it is giving, and then you can just simply crop it and you can do this angles. Okay, now you can simply adjust also, like increase the brightness or exposure, or you can increase the contrast. You see that highlights or the shadow in case if you want to. If you just should know what you have to do with that image and it tint, and if you want to go for the sharpness, more sharp image, as you can see. Now you have the facility of filter also. You can just simply filter like this kind of, you put a black and white image and all these things also. You can just put markup also. You can erase some particular section also. This is a brush size. You can just simply see as the brush size is there. You can just simply remove or something like that. You can just simply do the erasing area or object and selection. As you can see, this things are blinking, which whatever you have selected, it will help you out to simply erase those things. Using that, you can just simply remove any object from any image. That facility is giving this application. If you don't want to do anything, you just simply click on reset, and you can go back to the previous application. As you can see, we are back to the previous. So like this, once you are done, you can just simply click on save as a copy or copy to clipboard. Once you copy the clipboard, you can just simply paste it anywhere. So that's all in this video. Subscribe for more videos and let me know on which topic you want me to make the videos.